Hey everybody, it's Rachel Moore here with Remax Performance. Welcome to Wisdom Wednesdays. So last week we actually talked about interior spring checklists to do for maintenance. This time we're going to be talking about exterior, which is actually more important. There's key things that I really want you guys to take a peek about to make sure that your home is running as efficiently as it can. So the first thing I want you to do is contact your furnace company and get your central air serviced. Some people do them on their own, completely up to you. We get our guy to come in every spring, just gives it a good check over, oils what needs to be oiled, cleaned what needs to be cleaned, and we're good to go. So when it starts to get hot, we know it's ready. You also want to check all of your exhausts on the exterior of your home. So you'll have an exhaust with your, especially with your dryer vents. You don't want any of that lint building up and not allowing it to actually exhaust properly and making a fire hazard. So check all those vents, make sure they're clean of any debris. You want to contact a roofer and get your roof inspected. This is key. Every spring, you have no idea what your roof has done over the winter, if there's been any harsh weather and the elements and what they've done to those shingles. Get your roof inspected and make sure you also find out really where are you at in your life expectancy on that roof right now so that you can start planning and make sure that you have that budgeted properly. You want to, if you have a well, you want to get your well water tested. So they do recommend you do this a minimum of every 6 months. So again, put yourself on a schedule of spring and fall and get that tested to make sure the bacteria levels are safe. You want to clean your windows, screens, and hardware and replace the storm windows with your screens. So that's really important to get those windows clean now that you can, so that you can just sit there and enjoy the beautiful view outside your house. I want you to do a full walk around. I want you to examine your foundation. So last fall, we had a really dry fall, which means we had a lot of the ground pull away from our foundations. This is not ideal. So we want to really make sure we do a walkthrough, make sure there's no cracks that we haven't seen before that have all of a sudden popped up, and have someone look into that just to make sure if you see something you're concerned about. You want to make sure your sump pump is running. So here's a couple things that are really important. If anybody is starting to notice some heaving in their basement, most times it's because you have an excess of water underneath your house. Get your sump pump running and make sure that hose is running a minimum of 10 feet away from your home. You want to remove all of that water from the house. The other thing you also want to do is put all your eaves troughs down. So those eaves are so important because again, minimum 6 feet away from the house. Move everything away from the house. You don't want water anywhere near there. It's a good time to check your grading as well. If you're uncertain about that, contact a landscaping company to come in. You do need to do a good regrade of your property, usually every 8 to 10 years, just to make sure water is moving away from your foundation. And the last thing that I have on mine is to landscape maintenance. So you want to just clear everything, get all the old leaves out, mulch, put some good fertilizer onto your grass, get it ready to go. And like I said in the last one, once that's all done, pour yourself your favorite summer bevy and look forward to a great summer. Hopefully we can have one with some friends and family in our home to celebrate. All right, so until next time, I want you guys to stay safe, be kind, and look out for one another. All right, cheers. We'll talk to you soon.